Number 7, nakaras number 16. Pass to number 44. Number 44, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 12. Oh, out of bounds.
Pinaalala ko na third quarter na ako.
Oh, pinapaalala daw ni Mr. Kagawad. Third quarter na daw ito. Number 6. Number 6. Dadala ng bola. Number 6. Pass to number 23. Back to number 6 again. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Back to number 23. Number 23. Pumasok. Wala. Rebound ni number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 34. Number 34. Pass to number 44. Number 44. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni number 23. Number 23. Nakaras number 12. Binababa ni number 6 ang bola. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Nagtangkang tumigop. Wala. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Magawa ng play. Pass to number 6 again. Number 6. Back to number 16. Number 16. Kinukuyog ng karamihan. Oh, there's a foul by number 12. Shot clock is ending for the third quarter. Nicely number 34. Pass to number 94. Number 94. Up. Saint ball. Saint ball.
Hoy, ikot na bola. Bigyan siya yun.
Pass to number 94. Oh, nawala ang bola. Kay number 94. Number 16. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Pumasok. Wala. Rebound ng number 12. Pass to number 44. Number 44. Number 44, nakaharap si number 13. Number 12, pinasok number 44. Oh, there's a bad pass by number 12. Number 6, number 6. Number 6, nagbababa ng bola. Nagamit ng papasahan, pass to number 23. Number 23, pass to number 16. Number 16, oh, there's a probable violation by number 16. Makulay ang buhay. Number 34, nagbababa ng bola. Number 34. Number 34, pass to number 44. Number 44, umikot. Oh, there's a foul by number 9. Chopping foul. Third personal foul by number 9. Oras is 3 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. Warning for penalty ang Wizards. First throw is out. Second throw is no good. Rebound by Wizard ball. Number 6, nagbababa ng bola si number 6. Pass to number 9, number 9. Nagbabasahan. Tumira. Pass to number, yellow ball. Oras. Ano ba shot clock na? Number 16, Tumira. Wala, rebound number 7, number 7. Number 7, pass to number 34. Number 34, nagbababa ng bola. Dumiretso, there's a foul by number 16.
Warning! Warning! Number 16! Warning!
Number 16, third personal foul. Third. Oras, 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Penalty ref.
Penalty! Number 7.
Number 9. Third personal foul. Number post throw. First throw is no good. Second throw is no good again. Rebound by number 44. Follow by number 44. Wala. Nakuha ni number 94. Number 94. Pass to number 7. Oh, there's a bad pass again. Okay. Number 6, nagbababa ng bola. Nagsaset ng play si number 6. Number 6, pass to number 33. Number 33, masok. Wala rebound ni number 12. Number 12, pass. Binababa number 12. Number 12. Super layup. Follow by number 44. There's a foul by number 2.
Warning, number 9.
Number 9, warning for grab. Situation ng Wizard. First throw by number 44 is
Isa lang.
Ryan. 34-37 ang score. 3-point lead by Wizard. Second throw is move again. Oras is 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Number 19, pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6 to bola. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 34. Oh, nakuha. Step in the line. Saint ball.
Para tulong. Step in the line.
Number 12, pass to number 34. Number 34, nagbababa number 34. Number 34, pass to number out of bounds. Nalabas number 94 ang bola. Pass to number 34. Back to number 94. Number 94, pass to number 44. Oh, there's a bad pass by number 33. Diniretso. Wala rebound ni number. Oh, there's a foul by number. First throw is no good. How about the second throw? Mga guys, tuloy lang kayo. Napag-8 na ulo ko. Number 6, number 6. Second throw is no good again. Rebound by number. Last 2 minutes for the third quarter. Number 12, pass to number 94. Follow up.
Awat na.
Number 19, nagbababa ng bola si number 19. Number 19, nagsasit ng play, pass to number 6. Number 6, agad napapasahan, back to number 19, number 14, number 14, Clara pick! Wow! Oh, rebound by! Okay. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining. Number 13, pinasa kay number 6. Number 6, pass to number 19, number 19, tumer ng 3. Oh,